In this video, we are going to check how to do SSH to a VM which is using NAT. Okay, let's see whether we can use the NAT IP and do the SSH. We can't, right? So what we can do is we can add port forwarding to the settings. So first go to settings, then select network, and then advanced settings, port forwarding. There you can add the port forwarding rules. So the host IP is a local host, because we are going to do the SSH via localhost. Then I am using 2222 port in the localhost, then NAT IP, then the SSH port in the VM, and then save the settings. Then let's do port forwarding, like let's do SSH via port forwarding. Here I am using localhost IP and I am adding the port. It is 2222. Then see, we can do SSH to the VM.